Avoid putting eggs straight into water when boiling. Have you ever wondered why, no matter how carefully you boil eggs, they sometimes crack or the shells stick like glue? Today, I'll show you how 5-star restaurants boil eggs. Perfect, soft, easy to peel, and packed with flavor. By the end of this video, you'll discover a surprising science-backed trick that makes peeling eggs almost effortless. Stick around, you don't want to miss it. 1. The first step most people skip. Let's start simple. Wash the eggs. I know, it sounds basic, but many people skip this step. Yet, research published in the Journal of Food Protection shows that eggshells often carry traces of E. coli and salmonella from chicken droppings or feathers. And remember, when a hen lays an egg, it passes through the cloaca, the same opening used for excretion. That's why cleaning matters. So, place your eggs in a clean bowl, add a little baking soda and salt, pour in water, and let them soak for 5 minutes. Baking soda loosens dirt. Salt disinfects. Simple science, but super effective. Quick question. Do you normally wash your eggs before boiling them? Let us know in the comments. 2. A small trick with a big impact. After soaking, wipe the eggs clean. If your eggs came from the fridge, here's a fascinating fact. Soaking them in room temperature water for about 10 minutes prevents cracking.
Why?
Because sudden temperature changes make eggshells brittle. This tiny trick prevents waste and ensures smoother peeling later. Curious, right? But it gets even better. 3. Why not directly in water? Now here's the game changer. Most people boil eggs directly in water, but that's where things go wrong. Hot water makes eggs bump around, crack, and leak whites. You end up with messy, uneven eggs. Instead, place a steaming rack over a pot with water, add a little salt, and put the eggs on top. We're steaming, not boiling. Think of it like giving the eggs a sauna instead of throwing them into a storm. Quick pause. Hey, wait! You haven't subscribed to Juli Foodies Hub, have you? Hit that button. It really supports me and helps bring you more kitchen secrets like this. 4. Science behind the magic. Here's why steaming works. Steam cooks eggs evenly, gently, and without cracking. You don't need to measure exact water levels. Just let the steam do its job. Now, here's the fun twist. Place a small bowl with vinegar and salt inside the steamer.
Why?
Eggshells are made of calcium carbonate, and vinegar's acetic acid reacts with it, loosening the shell. Salt enhances heat transfer and adds flavor. So when you peel later, the shell practically falls off. Pretty neat, right? 5. The promise, stick with me. Before we continue, let me promise you something. Before the end of this video, I'll reveal a myth about eggs that almost everyone believes, but is totally wrong.
So stick with me till the end.
You'll love this one. 6. Timing is everything. So, how long do you steam? For soft-boiled, 6 minutes. For medium, 9 minutes. For fully cooked, 11 to 12 minutes. Anything longer? You risk dry, rubbery eggs. According to Harvard Health, overcooked eggs also produce more sulfur compounds, giving them that unpleasant smell. Which type do you prefer, soft, medium, or fully cooked? Drop your answer below. 7. Cooling. The secret second step. When the timer rings, don't peel yet, they're too hot. Instead, dunk them in cold water. This is not just for handling, it's science. Cooling causes the egg whites to contract slightly, pulling away from the shell. That's why peeling becomes effortless. Skip this, and you'll end up wasting chunks of egg white. Are you surprised? Don't be, because it gets even stranger. Did you know cold-shocked eggs also taste fresher and hold their springy texture longer? That's a bonus tip you can brag about. 8. Fun fact and myth busting. Fun fact: eggs are one of the most complete foods on Earth, rich in protein, vitamins, minerals, and choline. That's why athletes, and even astronauts, love them. Rocket. Myth busting. Many believe drinking tea right after eating eggs is harmless.
Wrong.
Studies show tannic acid in tea binds to egg protein, making digestion harder. Another myth? Mixing eggs with soy for extra protein power. In reality, it reduces nutrient absorption.
See?
Even everyday foods hide secrets. 9. The moment of truth. Now, let's peel one together. Tap gently with a knife, peel along the crack, and watch. The shell just slides off. The whites? Smooth and springy. The yolk? Golden and perfectly cooked. No smell, no cracks, no waste. Just restaurant-quality eggs right at home. Do you know any other unusual egg tricks? Share them. I'd love to learn from you too. 10. Wrapping up with you. So next time you boil eggs, remember, never throw them straight into water. Treat them gently with steam, vinegar, and salt, and you'll get perfection every time. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, and hey, feel free to share this with your family or that friend who always complains about ugly boiled eggs. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to Juli Foodies Hub for more food hacks that make your kitchen life easier and tastier. Goodbye for now, and remember, the smallest kitchen secrets often create the biggest wow moments at the table.